In a charming park, a sweet baby girl and a fluffy white bunny frolic together. Lily's eyes gleam with joy as her fluffy companion bounces around. The warm sun casts a golden glow as Lily and Snowball play in the gentle breeze. Curious children with wide eyes approach the playful duo with eager steps. With a determined finger, Lily invites the children to conquer the lofty tree branch. Snowball nudges the children playfully, urging them on with mischievous glee. The children's faces display a mix of uncertainty and resolve as they embark on the climbing challenge. Lily beams with pride, offering a helping hand and words of encouragement to the determined children. Snowball effortlessly hops onto the branch, demonstrating a playful example for the awe-filled children.